Hey guys, it's me, and today I want to show you guys how to get this look with the Colourpop Give It To Me Straight palette. If you guys want to see how I did this look, just keep on watching. So first, I am priming my eyes with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer and then set up with the Rimmel Stay Matte Powder. First, I'm using the color Truth Hurts in my crease in the outer corners. Next, I'm using Frank to deepen my crease. Now I'm taking the Maybelline Master Concealer and create a half-cut crease. And now I'm setting it with the shade Matter of Fact. Now I'm just going to deepen my crease a little bit more. Now I'm using the shade TMI to deepen the outer corner of my eyes. Then take the shade Actually and deepen it a little bit more. Then I'm taking a Ruby Kisses Glitter Gold Liner and I'm putting it in my crease. I kind of don't like this glitter liner, it like burns a little bit, but it's okay. And then I'm cleaning up the edges with the Garnier Micellar Water. And then I'm taking the Morphe 9A palette and mixing the shades Brew and Storms and using it as eyeliner. Then I'm curling my lashes and then using a L'Oreal Telescopic mascara. Today I am using the Ardell Demi Wispies. Now I'm using the Maybelline Master Concealer under my eyes. Then I'm using a Rimmel Stay Matte Powder to set my concealer. Then I'm going back with Truth Hurts to smoke out the bottom lash line. I took the Anastasia Sun Dip Glow palette and mixed the shades Summer and Moonstone and popped it in my inner corners and brow bone. Then I took the e.l.f. Light Blush palette and used like the brownie shade across my cheeks. And then I went back into the glow kit and used the shade Summer on my cheeks and nose. Finally, I used Colourpop's Beeper and lightly applied it across my lips. And that is all for this look. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like and also subscribe to my channel if you guys want to see more. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!